How to buy crypto without KYC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto without KYC. So in order to get crypto without KYC, there are over 150 crypto pairs where you can trade and swap without going through a KYC process. So the way this works is you need to connect your MetaMask wallet and deposit crypto from your wallet into Paymex. So you can also buy crypto with a debit card or credit card or deposit fiat currency. Now in order to do this procedure, first of all, you'll have to choose a decentralized exchange, that is DEX, like Uniswap. And after that, you'll also need to set up a non-custodial wallet such as MetaMask, as already mentioned earlier. After that, you'll have to fund the wallet with cryptocurrencies. Then you'll need to access the DEX through your wallet browser. And you also need to connect your wallet to DEX or decentralized exchange as well. You need to select the cryptocurrency and amount to buy it. So after that, you need to go through the prompt and follow the instructions. So that's basically how you can buy crypto without KYC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.